The most important tip for getting great negotiation results is being prepared.
How should I prepare for a negotiation?
You need to gather all relevant information, like your budget, technical specifications, and your timelines.
And don't forget to plan whether you want this to be a competitive or collaborative negotiation. If you plan on building a business relationship, you don't want to set an ultra-competitive tone, for example.
Dina's right. In that case, go for a win-win. The next part of preparation is identifying your critical issues, like the maintenance contract, warranty, and price of the new air conditioners.
Right, and I need my walkaway points for each of those critical issues.
Exactly. Then you go into the negotiation clear on your requirements, which makes it easier to know what you can trade and what you can't in the heat of the moment.
Plus, you'll save time. You'll spend the right amount of time only on the most important issues, not negotiating minor details.
Daniel sees that preparation is the most important part of getting a great result from a negotiation.